Good day guys and welcome to another video. I don't know if you can tell, we're in Montego Bay at Dead End or Buccaneer Beach. Isn't it pretty? We just decided to take a little day. You know my wife is here. Just take a little day to take in the water and look at how clear and nice that water is. Now I know in my videos I always come down to Dead End, but I never maybe talk about it much. So this beach, if you're on Bottom Road, you know the famous hip strip, if you just continue, you don't take the turn to go to the airport, you will eventually end up here. And they call it Dead End because the road ends right there. You have to turn and come back out. So it is a literal dead end. It's an open public beach. As you can see, there is this big seawall. The road is right there and the airport is right there. That green fence you're seeing, that's the airport. So that is why when we're bathing in Dead End, you always see the planes landing in the Montego Bay or Sangsters International Airport, which is extremely busy. All the time planes are landing. We're taking it in. We just ate, we bought some island grill. We're just taking in the scenery. Look at that water. So as I mentioned, it has the seawall, and in this shot you can see the road. This is the seawall here, and that's the beach right there. So the road is a little elevated. Oh, there's a plane coming in there. So it's pretty common for locals or water to come, park and take a bathe in the evening or anything right here, sit down on the seawall. It's a really nice chill vibes. And in some spaces you have this gap and it has some steps you could actually walk down. See there? That's the top of the seawall. We're at the bottom, water. I'm only a few inches away from the water. Along the seawall there is a few of these, what I think is like water breaks. It kind of makes the water a bit calmer for the beach and whatnot. I'm not too sure, but it's like rock jetties held together by wire. Let's go on top of it. So I'm going to step on it. Make sure you have on good shoes, good footwear if you're coming out on it. It's in two levels, a higher level and the lower level is below water. Oh, that's pretty cool. Check it out. Closer to the beach here, right? You can see the beach right there. See how clear the water is. There's a guy who has a little tent set up there. You can get massages and whatnot. And across there is a nice little restaurant. You can get something to eat. So it's a nice vibe. So I'm on the other side of the beach here. It has the wall and the airport is beyond here. And you have vendors and whatnot right here. This is the literal dead end. See, that's the road. You have to turn around here. Head back. No matter how many times I see the water, I'm driving by or I'm swimming, I am constantly amazed at the clarity and how nice and blue this water looks. And again, this is just a normal beach on the side of the road, eh? And look how fantastic it is. from swimming. Check that water out. Isn't it magnificent? Anyway, we're getting changed. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of Dead End, seeing that we come here a lot, just to show you more of the beach itself. I hope you guys had a good time with this little video. I really enjoyed putting it together. Remember, I do tours now, so if you're in Jamaica, come. I'll do you out some tours. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.